Hello, this is our tutorial for our journal entries. Once you get signed into CNUSD, you go down here to this side. Yours will say pre-K through 5. Go ahead and click on that. And then, this is alphabetical order. You're going to go to Google Suite, which is Google Classroom. And depending if you're in a different class for some other reason, remember to go to Mr. So you want to go to Mr. Samron right here. And you want to go to classwork. I'm going to leave messages here and make sure you read those messages, okay? Go here to classwork. You're going to go to May off-track activities. You're going to go to daily journals. Please read the instructions. It says go to the link below. Here's the link. Click the plus sign on the left corner and create a new Google document. Change the title into journal entries plus your first and last name. Write a daily journal about how your day is going. Be honest. Share what is going good and what you're struggling with. And please write 3 to 5 sentences and don't forget to use cups. And please uphold digital citizenships. Do not alter or change any student work. You might have access to other students' journals. Please do not go into them. Just write your own, please. So then you're going to click the link. And again, you'll go to the top left here where it says new. You're going to go to new Google Doc. Go ahead and create and share. Once this document pops up, go ahead and change the title. You want to title it Journal Entries. And then put your name, Mr. Salma. And in here, I like to change the font so that I can see better. I started off with the date. May 3rd. 2020. Today was a good day. I woke up and had breakfast with my family. We watched our church through live stream. We had burgers for lunch. My son struggled to take a nap. He is teething right now. Overall, today was fun and productive. I'm hoping my son can rest well tonight. Period. There I have shared a few things about my day, and I'm ready to enter now. Tomorrow I'll even put this ready. May 4th, 2020, and we're ready to go. It doesn't have to be too long. Just share a few things about your day. And that's pretty much it. And when you're done, it should save automatically and you can just log off. Miss you guys. I'm excited to read your journal entries to see how you all are doing. Have a great day.